Lane 5.
In the water, the last event of the
Second from the first.
Boys team with freestyle relay.
We are fourth place now.
The award ceremony in the northeast corner of the field. That is the opposite to starting off. The award ceremony immediately following this event.
Okay, we're doing good. We're fourth place, but close to the first, second, and third. So first leg going well. Okay, next swimmer is starting now. So Tim is waiting. We are fourth place now. Fourth place. We're doing well. Closest to our swimmer. Fourth place. And Nikon swimming right in front of me. The third place. Tim is getting ready.
Oh my gosh, I was literally just thinking.
Tim is getting ready. So they're very close. Second place is very close, and Tim is in the water. So three teams are very close, and Tim is giving it all. He's swimming hard. I think they're doing really well. Tim is catching up. They're fighting. They're all together. I think Tim is going to the first place now. He's closest to us. They're doing really well. The last leg is coming up. Tim is doing well. He is giving it all. First, second, and third, they're very close together. So last leg is so important. And now the last leg now starting. All right, they're very close. All right. 1, 2, 3, we're third place. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. We're second place. Second place. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Very close. Yay. And we're, yes, very close, very close, very close. Yay. Woohoo. Second place.